Hello, this is Infraworks, and so today in Infraworks we're going to actually work on grabbing some Google Map data and essentially topography, and trying to get that out of Infraworks into Revit. So that's kind of the goal, and we're going to split this video up into three parts. So first being Infraworks, second will be Format, and the third will be Revit. So what I want to start by doing is I want to start by clicking this model builder section up here. And this model builder will allow us to grab that information from a property. So we're going to zoom in here, and we're going to zoom into an area around Lawrence Tech. Where are we going here? Where am I going? Oh, there we go. Wrong location. So we're going to grab just this little area right here across the road from Lawrence Tech. So I'm going to draw a rectangle. And so what I'm thinking is we want to grab essentially, roughly half a mile, or maybe less. Yeah, we probably don't even need to grab half a mile. We're just going to grab this kind of area around here. I think it's important to grab a bit of context. It's about 3 square kilometers. Yeah, so that's a little bit large. We'll just grab this area right here. And then once we do that, we can name this. So we'll call this 10 Mile Road, and Northwestern, and we'll click Create Model. And coordinate system none selected. I haven't actually dealt with this before. Let's just click one for Michigan here. Yeah, I don't really know exactly what this is doing, but let's just try this and see how that works. Okay, now it's preparing the model, and so this should take a few minutes. So I'm just going to pause and wait for this to finish. And I'm just going to click this exit button here. And once it's finished, it should pop up here. So I'm back now. So you'll notice that our 10 Mile Road in Northwestern model is up. So let's just click that. I have BIM 360, but we're just going to open this locally. It'll take a minute to download here. So depending on the area that you bring in this model from, it's going to have more or less information. Obviously, this does not look like a Lawrence Tech, but cool to see anyways. And then I'm just trying to figure out how to navigate here. You can see that it does bring in some topography. So we're going to pretend this area right here is our site. For those of you that have done some studio projects, you probably used this site before. It's just a great area for us to think about since there's nothing on it. So this is going to be kind of our site. So we're going to take this and we want to export this and bring this into Format. So to do that, oh, there we go. That's what I wanted to do. So yeah, you can kind of see the topography of the river here, and yeah. So to bring this into Format, we want to go up here to Present and Share. And over here, we want to export, I'm pretty sure, we want to export the 3D model. We want to export the entire model. And we want to export it as a single file. Yeah, it might not be bad to export it into two files because we can export the buildings and the ground separately. Kind of like the idea of doing that. And we'll set location here. So we'll set location as our folder here. So I'm just going to call this sample. So I'm going to call this, we'll actually do this way. So I'm going to do 20, 21. I keep writing 20 on this. Infraworks export. Okay. Oh, that folder does not exist. All right. We'll create a folder. Actually, you know what? I'll just save it in there and we'll deal with it later. All right. And now we can hit export. I haven't dealt with this. I think this must be a new thing that they added. Try this. There we go. That works. So we're just gonna let this export. Oh, that's going a little faster than I thought. And then I'm gonna pause this. I'm gonna start a new video. We're gonna open this up into Format. And I guess maybe before I do that, since it was so quick, we can, I'm not going to really go into this in this video, but you can edit and modify roads and sidewalks. You can see all these elements are editable. So if your site doesn't have a lot of information, you can certainly edit that and add that. Completely up to you. I think sometimes there's a balance there, so maybe you want to edit and add a couple things, but maybe you don't want to go too crazy. So again, we won't really go through this in this video, but I'll upload another video for that, or I'll share some videos that do that.